Hi guys, good morning. So it's 24th May and the time right now is actually 7:30 a.m. and we are going out. Yeah, that's Louis right there. And we are going out to get few plants, to buy few plants actually. So let's go. Hi Louis. Chalo. Good boy. There are like so many plants in here. Oh my god, so pretty. And here's Louis. He comes everywhere with us. Oh, so many trees. So many freaking plants. Like what? I've never seen such a nursery in my entire life actually. And there are like so many in here too. Oh my god, like see. Wow, so pretty. And there are so many flower plants in here. Like wow. Like wow, look at it. It's all the same place. So these are like really big plants. If you can see, we can buy them. Oh wow, this plant is pretty. And here are some Christmas trees. We are buying actually 2 of them. So pretty.
Guys, look at the cutie. How cute is he? Oh my god. Hi. Hi, cutie. Oh wow, you're so pretty. You're like climbing on me. Hi.
Lou is like so super excited to see that sheep. I think it's a sheep. Right there, like look. So cute. I love animals. His legs looks like some bird's legs. I don't know why. So cute. So cute. And yeah. He walked on the red sand and hence his feet are red. But how cute are they? So small. Oh! So guys, here are all the plants which we got. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually around 2:30 p.m. I had like a college presentation today and so that is what I was doing all this while, and right now I'm free for some time, and then we have like a Zoom meeting to attend and they're cleaning up the garden with the pool and all. So I have like another Zoom meeting at 5. Until then we are going to be watching some TV. That is a little update. I'll see you in a while. And also we got a lot of trees which I'll show you in a bit. All the black things that we got are actually the plants which we got today. So big. Look how many pomegranates are there on this plant. Wow. Like look, I think they have to grow a little bit more, but if you can see, there are like so many pomegranates in here. Look at Newie's new house. Louis, do you like your house? Do you like your house, Louis? Bye. Here are some more plants. I wanted to give you like a little farmhouse update. So that is our farmhouse, if you can see, and this is like this trees which you can see right here, like these white flower trees and all. That is the extension of our kitchen garden. Anyways, this is the new land which we have taken, to expand the farmhouse. Or we have not really thought of what we are going to be doing in this land as of now. So from this place right here, we are going to be having an entrance into this one. So yeah, this is going to be like the extension of our farmhouse most probably, or we are gonna construct anything else if we want to, not really sure, but that is our farmhouse, and this is like the extra land here. Right here in this place we are going to be having like a gate so that we can walk from there to here. And yeah, and yeah, wait, these are the plants which we got in the morning. So we wanted to plant plants always, so yeah, we just planted them here. We planted few, but we are still figuring out where to plant the rest of the plants, especially the Christmas trees, which I'm very excited about. And if you want to see how I go there, everyone left. Everyone is taking like a huge walk to reach there, and if you want to see how I'll go, wait for it. So this is like the entrance to this place, and our farmhouse is right there. So I can't film. Yes, this is my little entrance. Let's go. And here we are to our farmhouse. And here, this is also part of our farmhouse, but you know, it is mainly used for like my dad's construction material. And yeah, we are back to our farmhouse. Woohoo! And the sky is pink. I had a Zoom meeting which didn't go as planned, and I'm a little pissed off, but you know, it's okay. We have this beautiful farmhouse to enjoy. Ta-da! Good morning guys. So it's 26th May today, and the time right now is actually around 9:30 a.m. and me and Louis, we just came out for like a little morning walk. So yeah, Louis is enjoying himself in the grass and I'm enjoying not the sun, but you know, just the weather. But it's too sunny outside, so we are gonna be going inside in a minute. Chalo. So my dad got some snacks, so let us see what's inside. First we have this, I think they're murkul or something. And then I think we have two sweet boxes. This one and this one. I'll open it and show it to you in a minute. Oh wow, so we have motichur ke laddu, which is my most favorite from this place called Dadu's. Like they have the best motichur laddus in the entire world. And then we have paper sweet or puturekulu as we call it here. These are like my most favorite sweets on planet after jalebi. But yeah, I like jalebi more than these, but you know, I love them. Look at this tiny rabbits in your bag. How cute are they? Oh my god. And there's another one here. They're just chilling right here. And here's our little rabbit who got upset because we're looking after these rabbits. Louis? Louis? Also coming to this place after like so long, because I have been oh my god, I can't talk. I've been spending most of my time downstairs, so I miss this view. So I'm just going to be sitting here for some time and editing today's vlog and also enjoying these goats which were right here. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you in a bit. In case I haven't already mentioned, yeah, also I'm drinking my chai, and this is the last day of drinking chai with this view. We are going to be returning to our house tomorrow. I don't want to go, but I want to go at the same time. But yeah, enjoying the last day with my yummy chai. So guys, take a look. We have like custard apples to this tree. If you can see, there is one here, there is one. There are like so many custard apples, and I don't think it is the season right now. Like, look at what my dad did with this bottle. Can you see? Louis, look like a zombie dog.
Do you guys know what did this guy do? He went and jumped into the water in the fountain. This guy. Bad boy Louis.
Good morning, guys. The bird just flew in. So today is 27th May and the time right now is actually around 6:30, 6:45, and it's so sunny already. So yeah, I'm packing all my things and we are leaving because we have to reach home by 10 because there's curfew after that. So yeah, bye farmhouse. Will I miss it? Yeah, I will. But do I want to go back? Yeah, too, because it's been a while since we stayed here, and yeah, I miss my room. So yeah, bye bye. See you at home. I will surely miss these cuties. You know, I got attached to them in a week only. Like we used to pour them milk every time we came, but we never really stayed from the time they are here. But you know, I'll miss them. Another one is outside. I think she got scared or something. He's a boy actually. How cute are you? Okay, wait, I'll give you. And look, here's the other one. Oh my god, they look so cute together, don't they? Actually, they are friends, you know. Even this is a little puppy. And look at our baby. He already went and sat on inside first only. Hi guys, so we are back home and back home to all of these packages. Like wow, this feels like so good. Most of the stuff belongs to Louis. Actually, we ordered quite some stuff for Louis, and I think other things are like my birthday presents. So yeah, so excited to open everything up. Yeah, I'll open everything up today only. I can't wait, but I'll show it to you in my birthday vlog. a super quick call. We bought like all of these treats for Louis. Like these chip chop things are like Louis' most favorite ones, and we are not finding these in this lockdown and everything. So yeah, we have all of those, and then we have never tried veg things in this, so I just wanted to try it out. So we have them, and I also wanted to get like a paw butter for him. So yeah, I got this. I'll just tell you how it is once I used it. Also, we got him like like a sanitizer. Whenever he goes out for a walk, we can quickly splash it on him and it'll be fine. And this is some kind of new treats, you know. I've never really ever tried them, but yeah. So yeah, this is like all of Louis' things. He's sleeping. If he sees them, he'll love them, I think. He loves the blueberry one. Where is it? Yeah, he loves this one. He loves this so much. He loves the blueberry. So yeah, most of the packages had these. I'll show you other things in a while. And then if you have seen like my last to last vlog, you can know that I ordered some healthy snacks and I didn't receive some parcels. So I got one quinoa spaghetti. Yeah, I got it in the exam same condition. It was open. Anyways, under to it is packed only, but it's not even coming out. The noodles are pretty black, and I think they have some taste makers in them. I don't know. I just have to read how to make it. We have 2 packets of that, and also we have some quinoa pasta. So I'll probably try it tonight and share with you how it actually is. So yeah, this is the next package. And also I ordered some stuff from Urbanic. So we have a chain, we have like 2 chains. This is also a chain, and then we have 2 t-shirts, which is a part of the order. There is more things yet to come. Also some balloons for my birthday from Amazon. So yeah, again we have like a bunch of packages, and yeah, my room got a little too messy, so I have to place all of the stuff in the cupboard. But before that, we gotta cook a little dal. So I'll just go quickly take a shower, cook the meal, and be back. Bye. And also I created a mess, a complete mess here, and like wait for it, like you're not even ready. Ta-da! And this is supposed to be my gift, so my mom told not to open it, so I'm waiting for my birthday to open it. But yeah, this is Louis stuff. Hi guys, so I spotted a little lizard right here and it's freaking me out, and that's why I turned on the tube light. If you can see that square part right there, it actually releases some kind of chemical or something which doesn't kill lizards, but you know, with the smell they're gonna get irritated. And I even opened the window so that they can go out. I turned on the candle because I don't know, because of the smell they might go out. And also I got this thing from Naptol or something, so I also turned it on. Hopefully the lizard will go. Like I can't. So guys, today let's try this quinoa pasta. Yeah, they kept the label ulta. This is like the opening and the label is like this. So I'm so excited to try it out. I was very skeptical to make white sauce or red sauce because white sauce is like more easier, but yeah, sorry, red sauce is more easier because I have like the ready-made red sauce. But let's try white sauce. I'm going to be making the entire packet though. Let's go. So this is how they look like from the inside. Let me just pour it to it. And I'll fill water into this. I added some water, and also we need to add a tablespoon of oil. So here it goes. And we have to boil it for like 8 to 10 minutes. So let me just put it on the stove. Okay, this is easier. This is fun for me. Like, look. So satisfying. So let it boil for like 8 to 10 minutes, then we'll get back. Also, I forgot we need to add some salt, so I'm adding around a tablespoon of salt. And yeah, let's boil. Yeah, it's on high flame. Turning on the gas. This is actually the fun part, you know. So fun. Putting on the pan and letting it heat for a bit. And also quickly wanted to say, this is like a no vegetable pasta. I don't like any vegetables in my pasta, including onions. So it is going to be like a super plain basic white sauce pasta. And also the pan has heated. So I'm adding some butter, a good amount of butter. Let it melt for a bit. As you can see, the butter has almost melted. So into this, I'm going to be adding like 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida, whatever you want to call it, and be giving it like a really good mix so that it doesn't form any lumps. It should be like mixed really well. And you have to wait until this mixture turns a little brown. If you can see, it is already burning. So make sure you give it a good mix as soon as possible. Probably this is the first time I'm talking in a cooking video. I hope you don't mind that. Before it gets too burnt or spoiled, it's time for us to add some milk into it. Add little by little, so that you don't really form like, yeah, I make everything fall, right? So you just add little by little so that you don't really form any lumps, because lumps are not good. And yeah, I'm going to be adding the leftover milk, and just wait until the mixture gets like super thick and it starts to boil. So keep stirring continuously so that there won't be any lumps formed whatsoever. So, as you can see, the mixture started to boil a little. Now I'm going to be adding some salt to it, some chili flakes, actually a lot of chili flakes because I really like chili flakes. Also, I'm going to be adding some pizza seasoning for the extra flavor, a lot of it. I know the camera is moving with me, but it's fine. And giving it all like a really nice mix so that everything gets dissolved into everything completely. I love the smell, guys. It already starts smelling delicious in this step. Now that our sauce is ready, we are going to be adding our boiled pasta into it. Oh shit, I should have added some oil and kept it aside, but yeah, this is the mistake you need to avoid. So let me just quickly add it and be back. So yeah, pro tip, after draining away the water, always make sure to not put your pasta just like that, but to add some oil so that they don't really stick to each other. Now it's time to just mix everything up really well. Oh my god, my pasta already looks super delicious, and the sauce is also of the right quantity. I even like it a little more saucy, but it's fine. If you want, you can add even a little more milk in this step, and yeah, it won't really make any difference. It will be really nice. It's okay to add more milk in this step too. Also add some grated cheese if you like to. I'm not really a fan of cheese or anything, so I'm just adding a little bit for formality. But yeah, that is it. Now let's taste it. So guys, this is how my pasta looks like. I added a lot more seasoning on top, so maybe you can't even see my pasta. I'll quickly do like a taste test for you all. It is actually really nice. It doesn't taste like quinoa whatsoever. It literally tastes like the regular maida ka pasta. So good, like such a good healthy alternative. Of course, comparatively, red sauce can be a little more on like a unhealthy side, but it's okay. It's really nice. If you make like red sauce, it's gonna be perfect alternative. It's so good actually. It's one of the best pastas I've made in my life. See you tomorrow.